I'm working on this belt guard for an 856. It's got a pretty common problem. As you can see, the mounting tab has been broken away and repaired. So in this case they added a piece to it. So I'm going to take all that off of there and make one that looks original. I think it'll be out of thicker stock. I don't have material that's the same thickness as that. So what I'm going to use will be a little bit under 1/8 inch thick. So what I want to do is drill a hole right through each of the spot welds. And then my weld will be in the same place. So these welds aren't in a straight line. It just ends up being wherever the original weld is. So I'm going to start with a small drill and then keep increasing the size until the weld breaks free. So anytime I make a repair where there's bare metal, I always want to paint that so it's protected. Then you're going to put it on a tractor with an old paint job, what I do is use some brown primer over the red paint, so you get the protection of the paint job and it doesn't stand out like a sore thumb. That looks better. Alright, that's it.